Okay, what we got here is a backpack vacuum. A couple of interesting features about it is one, you got a handhold. That's important because a lot of times people try to transport them by the hose and they eventually break the hose or it falls off. The other thing is we got a slope back that allows airflow to get behind it so it doesn't get hot and cause your back to sweat. We got an ergonomic harness that goes on with place to hold tools. The real heart of the backpack is the motor. This is the motor down in here. We're on about 150 cubic feet of water, uh, inches of water lift, and we got about a 1.5 horsepower motor. This is a HEPA filter that sits on top of it. And what this is here is something that keeps the bag. This is the filter bag that's in here. When you pick up heavy material, the bag sometimes falls down on the motor. So we put this baffle in here to keep the bag out of the motor. Now, the bag carries two, this is an inner bag and an outer bag. This is a HEPA outer bag. The bags are easily changed. Takes just a couple of minutes. And the bags come in a package of 10. A couple more interesting features is our hose, this is not representative, our hose is 5.5 feet long. So if you want to use it on a floor machine, it goes all the way to the floor and it'll hook up to the floor machine while you have it on your back. The other thing is our hose goes in on a 45-degree angle so that you don't have that elbow there to slow down your airflow. We also have a deflector plate right here built into it. So as the dust comes through here, it hits this plate where in other vacuums it might hit this paper bag. And depending on what you're picking up, you're picking up rocks or pieces of metal, it'll tear the bag. Keeps it in there. And this hose is glued in here and screwed in here. You can't pull it out. And last but not least, we use a swivel here. And as much as you don't think a swivel has a value to it, you use this all day long and you're fighting this hose back and forth. There's people standing behind me smiling. They know the difference. By having that swivel, it's about 90% easier on your arm.